Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, what I want to talk to you about today is this here is Chinese cabbage. And what I thought was unique about it is the shapes of the leaves here and how they are so much different than your regular cabbage leaves are. So you can see here the leaf shapes are different, the textures of them are different as well. And this over here is a premium late flat Dutch cabbage. And if you see here, these leaves kind of have like, they sort of look like a radish leaf in a way. They have like some fuzzy on them, and they're more like scalloped. So when these first started coming up, and I seen they started getting their true leaves, I thought, this does not look like any cabbage that I've ever seen before. And they're all in the same family, but the difference is this is a Chinese cabbage, and the other ones are premium late flat Dutch, and they even varied from the other cabbage varieties that I'm growing. So I started doing some research, and I found out that yes, this actually is the Chinese cabbage seedlings, what they look like. I thought that something else must have got put in the pack. Now the seeds do look exactly the same, and you plant these exactly like you do any other cabbage. These do mature faster, and these are supposed to be shaped a little bit differently. So if this is your first time growing Chinese cabbage, yes, this is what the seedlings are supposed to look like. So I just wanted to share this with you here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.